to the second episode of the more complex calculation in Jamb. And in the first episode, I actually gave you the three formula in calculating more concept, and we also solved some variety of complex question, right? If you are just seeing this video and you have not watched the first episode of this more concept, you can either see it on the screen or you go to the description below, because that video is key, because I gave you the three basic formula in calculating more concepts. But if you have watched that video, then this is what we are going to do more complex one, right? If you are not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscription button so that you are not going to miss out any video content we do, because we upload 3 times a week. So let's get started. So now let's solve this first question in this episode. If 2.0 especially 23 atoms of an element X have mass of 0.03 gram, calculate the atomic mass of the element. Now, for those guys who don't actually know this formula here, so we have 3 basic formula calculated for mole concept, and we are going to use them in this video. So, mole equals what? Mass or what? Molar mass. Now, this is the first formula you actually need to know. The mole equals what? Numbers of atoms. It's like what? Molecule. Or what? Na. Na is the one Avogadro's constant, which is 6.02 exponential what? 23. Right? And next one is what? Mole equals what? Volume of what? Substance. Or what? Volume at STP, which is what? 2.4 dm cube. Do you get that? So these are the 3 base formula we are using, and we are going to use 2 here. Depending on the question, that is formula you are going to pick in order to solve it. So now here they give us numbers of atoms is equal to what? 2.0 exponential what? 20, right? Atoms. And they give us what? The mass of the element, which is what? X, is what? 0.03 gram, right? Now they say we will calculate what? The atomic mass of what? X. What actually what looking for, right? So now it's time for us to pick the formula we are going to make use of. So which formula relates numbers of atoms, right? Remember, we have one formula which is called mole equals what? Numbers of atoms. What? 6.02 exponential what? 22, right? So this is the first formula we are going to make use of, because we are being given what? Mass of what? Atom, right? Next is what? Mass. They give us what? Mass here. So which formula relates to mass? So mole equals what? Mass or what? Molar mass, right? But because we are talking about the atom, or sorry, the elements, now going to go to what? Atomic mass. Atomic what? Mass. It's okay. So there are 2 formulas we are going to make use of in this calculation. So if you should relate 2 of them together, here we have what? Mass of molar mass, mass of atomic mass, mass for what? Atomic mass equals what? Numbers of atoms. What? 6.02 exponential what? 21.3. So this is the formula we actually making use of. Why? Because now we are being given the mass of what? Of the element, which is this guy here. Now we are being asked to calculate this one here, which is this one here. And we are being given what? Numbers of atoms of the elements, which is this guy here. Right? So what you have to do here is to make the atomic mass itself a formula. If you make the atomic mass itself a formula, so I'm going to write this one out. So if you should make the atomic mass itself a formula, it's going to be this times this divided by what? Mass of what? Atom. So it's going to be what? Atomic mass equals to what? Mass times what? 6.02 exponential what? 20.3, right? All our what? Numbers of what? Atom, which is what? Numbers of what? Atoms, right? So this is what I'm going to do here. So the next thing we want to do is to substitute what our value. So numbers of atomic mass equals what? Mass is what? 0.03 times. Now here we have 6.02 exponential what? 3, right? All about mass of atoms. Mass of atom is what? 2.0 exponential what? 20. So that is it. What you have to do now is what? Punch your calculator. Atomic mass of what? S is going to equal to what? 90.3. Remember the unit is what? Gram per what? Per mole. So you can see how you can use the formula method to actually what? Calculate what? Mole concept. So if you can actually what? Master the 3 formula I've given to you, and you understand the question, that's how you can what? Able to what? Solve it. Now let's do one more question. So now look at what the second question is. How many molecules of white phosphorus are contained in 248 grams of the what? Substance? So look at what? Solution. Now when you say should look for numbers of what? Molecules. Numbers of what? Molecules. Of what? P4. Right? Now they give us mass of the phosphorus. Mass of what? P4. Usually what? 248 what? Gram. So how are we going to solve this first stuff here? So now therefore we have to what? Write the formula that what? Link molecule, and write the formula that what? Link what? Mass, right? So the first one, mole, equals what? Mass about what? Molar mass, right? So that is for this one here. The area also of mole equals what? Numbers of molecule. All about what? 6.02 exponential what? 23, right? So 6.02 exponential what? 23. So these are the 2 formulas we are using, and we are going to link them together. Now when you link them together, here we have what? Mass about what? Molar mass equals what? Numbers of what? Molecule. All about 6.02 exponential what? 23. Right? So the next one to do is what? The molar mass of P4. So now what's molar mass of P4? Of what? P4, white phosphorus. Right? So remember the atomic mass of phosphorus is what? 31. 31 times 4. Let's calculate. 124 grams per mole. You get? So now if you substitute our values there, remember this is what you're actually looking for, right? This is what you're actually looking for, right? So if you substitute our value, the mass was given to me. What is the mass? 248 grams. All about 124 grams per mole equals what? Numbers of what? Molecule. All about 6.02 exponential what? 23. So if you should cross multiply, this times this equals to this times this here. Make it so you solve a formula now. What are you going to get? Now make it so a formula. Here we have what? Numbers of molecule. Numbers of what? Molecule. Of what? P4 is equals to what? Going to be this times this. You got 248 times 6.02 exponential what? 23. All about what? 124. Right? So if you should apply your calculator here, we have 1.204 exponential what? 24 what? Molecule. So you can see how easy it is to actually what? Master these 3 simple formula I've given to you, right? So believe me, these are stuff you're going to see in your exam, right? So what you have to do is to what? Master what I've done here, then go to your past question, then look for similar questions we have done and solve them, right? If there's any way you cannot solve, you leave it, send to me or send to the comment section, right? I want to pick on that. If there's any topic you want to do for you that is actually giving you a little tough time to solve, also leave it at the word comment section, right? If you're not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because you don't want to miss out any video we are doing or we are making on this channel, because it's really going to help to what in your chemistry jam, right? Or jam chemistry. See you in the next video.